How to create character in Sakura AI. Today, I will show you how to create a character in Sakura AI. First, open the Sakura app and tap the create button located at the bottom of the screen. This will take you to the character creation page. Start by entering your character's name. After that, you can add a character image by choosing a file from your device or using the generate option. You may also add a background image, but this step is optional. Next, select your character's gender, identity, and choose a voice type. You can tap Preview Voice to hear how your character will sound. Now, move on to the important sections. In the description, write a short summary of your character. In the persona section, describe their personality and behavior. Then, in the scenario, explain the situation or setting where your character exists. After that, you can add model instructions. This tell the AI how your character should respond, such as speaking casually or using emojis. You can also create an example conversation by adding sample messages between the user and the character. Then set the first message your character will say when someone starts a chat. Next, add tags to help others find your character. And include any author's note if needed. Finally, choose the visibility settings, whether public or private, and tap submit. And that's how you create